Oh, Waffle, leaping around like a frog. I just want to say one thing. You're such a clever dog. So many nights we're awake when you're woofing, but we still love you, everybody.
Waffle Doggy! Waffle Doggy! Waffle Doggy! You're such a clever dog. You're such a clever dog, you are.
When Doug decided he wanted to be in the school show, he asked Waffle to help him.
Here, look. Now I need you to open and close your mouth, but don't talk. I'm going to do your voice.
Talk?
Oh, no, Waffle. Don't talk. Right, you ready?
Yep.
No, Waffle, don't talk.
Oh.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, the magnificent Waffle. Hello, my name's Waffle.
What? My name's Waffle.
I know, Waffle. No talking. What we're doing is called ventriloquism.
Ventriloquism.
No, ventriloquism. I speak your voice.
Ventriloquism.
Come on, Waffle. Let's start again. Sit still for me. Come on.
No,
Waffle.
Ventriloquism.
What are you two doing in here?
Well, I'm trying to figure out what to do for the school show.
Help me with this stuff.
Oh, okay. I'm trying to figure out what to do for the school show, and I've been practicing ventriloquism with Waffle.
Ah, ventriloquism. Talking without moving your mouth. And how's that going?
Not very well.
Well, why don't you pick something, Doug, that you're good at already?
Yeah, but I'm only really good at inventing, and I can't do inventing on the stage at the school show.
No.
Hey, Waffle, what are you good at?
Licking?
Licking? No, you don't, Waffle. Come over there. It's true though, Doug. You should pick what you're best at. Like me, I'm good at music. So something like. Right, here we go. Waffle Doggy. Come on, you have a go.
All right.
Come on, that one. Such a clever dog. Such a clever dog. You are.
Such a clever dog. You're such a clever dog. You are.
Yeah, see?
Do music.
That's a brilliant idea, Waffle. I could invent a new way to make music, just like you've done. I'll call you if I need you.
Right, ready, Waffle? You're such a clever dog. You're such a licky dog, you are. Oh, Waffle.
Hey, Dad, you can come up now.
I'm here. Oh, wow, Doug. Oh, look at this. This is very impressive. Look how many instruments you've made.
Here, look, I'll show you what they all do.
Tell us, please.
This is the crash kit.
Well done.
Hey, you have a go.
All right, okay.
And now I'll show you the floppers. Here.
Yes, right, keep that going.
Music.
Keep the noise down in there!
Sorry, Mrs Hobbs. We just can't stop.
Waffle play.
Waffle, you can play the clat clanger. Look, here, just put your paw on it. Yeah.
Clanger. Oh. Very good, Waffle.
Waffle play.
I will add some shaker-rackers into
All
it.
right, shaker rackers. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Ready.
3, 4. Hey, Doug, you should do this for the next school show.
What? Do you really think so?
Yeah.
Oh, I know, but listen. Mrs Hobbs is banging on the wall in time to our beat. And in fact, she's really good.
Yeah. Hey, Mrs Hobbs, we're digging your feet.
Thank you. Now, be quiet in there.
Idea! Mrs Hobbs' rhythm is so good that I'm going to invite her round to come and join in properly.
Oh, that's a great idea, Doug. Well, there's plenty of instruments to go around.
See you later.
Right.
You call those instruments? No, get rid of it all. And make sure you put all the bits in the right recycling.
But Mrs Hobbs, please have a go on our musical invention.
Yeah, come on, Mrs Hobbs. We know that you like banging on things like walls.
And you can be in charge of banging a good new rhythm. Please, Mrs Hobbs.
Well, I'm sure I can do better than Waffle. Let me show you how.
Go, Hot Bobs.
Wow, Mrs Hobbs.
That was amazing.
I feel electric.
So do we.
I feel so good. I could almost cuddle Waffle. Let's play together.
Good idea. Yeah. Right, you set us a rhythm.
Okay.
Mrs Hobbs.
1, 2, 3, 4.
What about me and Waffle?
Yeah.
Sure, Waffle can work, but what can I do for the school show?
School show?
Yeah.
Well, you need a song, Doug. That's what you need. Mrs Hobbs, count me in.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It's fun to have family.
And it's fun to have friends.
When the fun we have.
It never ends.
Go on then, Doug. Ready on your own? Go on.
It's fun to have family and it's fun to have friends. And the fun we have.
It never ends.
There's your song, Doug.
All together.
Fun to have family.
And it's fun to have friends. And the
Fun we have never ends. Fun with family and friends. Friends and family. Family and friends. Friends and family. It's fun to have family and friends. Friends and family.
family. I can dance!
Yes!
Can.
I might make the school show.
Yes, you will, Doug. Come here. Look, you've made your own musical instruments. You've written a song.
Oh, and I can teach Ellie all the dance moves, and then we can perform it together.
That's a great idea.
Oh, and I'll invite Mum and her new boyfriend Callum, if that's okay.
Of course it's okay. Zoe and Callum will love to come, and we'll all be there at the end of term because we're all your friends and family.
Out to get Evie. When Mum and I got home from swimming, the house was strangely quiet.
Waffle. Hello?
Hello. Mrs Hobbs. Oh, Douglas, they're here.
Mrs Hobbs, has there been a power cut? Hello?
Hi, you two. Wait until you see this.
Welcome to the Brooklyn Bell Hobbs first performance.
Brooklyn Bell Hobbs?
Sit down. Come on, sit down.
Featuring Waffle the dog.
Way!
And now it's time to welcome the talent behind it all. There's no rhythm he can't master. He puts the D in dog. It's Doug!
Ready with the backing track?
Let's do this!
1, 2, 3, 4.
It's fun to have family.
And it's fun to have friends.
When the fun we have.
It never ends.
Family
And friends. Friends and family. Family and friends. Friends and
family.
Fun with family and friends. Friends and family.
magic.
Dance move.
Music! Love music!
Come on, everyone, it's selfie time.
Oh yeah, selfie time. Come on,
Hey,
Waffle.
thanks for all your help, Dad. And you, Mrs Hobbs.
Oh, it's the most fun I've had since I canoed single-handed across the Atlantic Ocean. Oh, long story.
Yes, friends are fun. And so are family.
Everybody!
Waffle